Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2015 Pete 579 day cab to show you. It's built with an Isx Cummins 10-speed. Does have a wet kit on it already. It's only got 241,000 original miles. Got it fired up and hot this morning. Gonna do a full walk around, show you what we got. Let's get started. Excellent steers. Bumper looks good, body looks good. Nice dual stack day cab option. Steps look good and tanks do as well. Has a factory split tank for your hydraulics and fuel. It's a Southern truck, so there's no rust. Flex air suspension, air slide fifth wheel with dependable option. All aluminum wheels. Excellent brakes. Tower for your wet kit. Interior is nice and clean. Only damage I really see, you've got a small little hairline crack right there in that plastic. And then some wear on this steering wheel here, you can see. Not up to temp yet, but this kind of gives you an idea of oil pressure and what she sounds like. Smooth through the RPMs, and oil pressure comes on up there just like she's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526, or you can also email me anytime to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.